Hi, this is Dave. Today we're going to mount a shelf in our bathroom. We've chosen this shelf here. It's a shelf with a towel bar. First thing is we take it out and it comes with a template. So this will show us, we'll tape this on the wall and it'll show us where to drill the holes to mount the shelf. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how high we want to put the shelf. So we'll hold, there's a glass shelf that goes across the top, but we don't have that in right now. But this will give us a good thing for the towel bar. So now we're gonna figure out how high we want it. Now that we've chosen where, we're gonna mark one side.
On the top?
Kind of on the top and then along, kind of go around it. Like halfway around the circle. Okay? Now we can take it down. Now that we've chosen our location to put the towel bar, we're going to use a stud finder and find out if there's any studs in the wall right here. So there's something there, and something there. So it's no studs over here. So I'll go over here. And there's something right there. So we're just gonna take a little mark here and just see. Now the towel bar comes with a template to show us where to drill. So I'm just gonna put this over here, use it as a quick measure and see. So there's something there. So it looks like we just missed the stud with our holes for the mounting. So we're going to use the included mounting pieces that come with it when we use it. So the first thing is we're going to put we know where our mark is here. We'll put the paper out so that the holes are in the middle of our mark. And we'll just lightly tape one side. Then we'll put the paper up like this, and we've got a level that we'll put up. And we'll put it on the paper, so the paper's on one of the lines of the paper. So when you use the level, you look up here and you make sure that the bubble is in between the two lines. So as I raise up one end, you can see the bubble shifts. So it's in between. And then we put the paper so the line is straight with the level. And then double check, make sure the level's still straight. A piece of tape. And put it over here. We're ready to drill. According to the instructions that came with it, we use a 1/4 inch bit. So we'll drill at the 4 spots that shows, and at the same time we're going to hold a vacuum up here to catch all the dirt that comes out of the drill so it doesn't get all over the floor. So we'll turn on the vacuum and drill. Got the holes drilled, we can take the template down. And we're going to put these wall anchors into the wall. So you just put them in the hole and lightly tap them into the wall with a hammer. So now on the back side of the shelf brackets, we have to take out this little mounting plate. There's a screw here that we unscrew. And then the mounting plate comes out. We do that on both of them. We can mount the put the mounting bracket in the wall anchors that we just put in. You put the screw through and attach it. And then take a screwdriver and tighten it. We can do the other side. So now we can put the mounting bracket, or the shelf bracket, on the mounting bracket and tighten the screw. Now, to install the other bracket, we have to install the glass shelf and the rod and the other bracket all at the same time. So we'll put the shelf up here. And the rod. And then we can tighten the little screw on this side. There. Now we've installed the shelf. Thank you for watching. So my wife questioned me whether it was level or not. So we'll put the level on the shelf. Yep, whether the shelf is level or not. So you can see it's level.